Okay, guys, so we got an iPhone 7 in that is liquid damaged. You guys can see it's got the stickers red here, and you can see some liquid has been in here. And on the back side, you can see some liquid has been here. And here, I see some more spots, and I see some corrosion down here. So first things first, we're going to just get you guys under the microscope, okay? And let's just put some freeze spray down, and let's just, boom. Okay, so right away, oh, you don't see that. Boom, there you go. Okay, so let's do this again for you guys. Okay, so right away, boom. Okay, so we're gonna remove that cap, and we're just gonna see if that fixes our problem, okay? Because I think that it might. So let's go ahead and get our razor down in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get out our hot air. Okay, let's just lock the board in. Okay, we'll change to our smaller tip here. Okay, so now, you guys see? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of flux down, because why not? But we still need to come in here, separate it. Yeah. Okay, you can see that that cap has been blown right there. Okay. So, okay, here we go. Okay, so we knock it off. Okay, now, looks like the pad is gone too, doesn't it? Oh, pad is still there. Okay, good. So, now we're going to get you guys out of the scope again. Okay. And we now have no more short on VDD main. So we're going to now see if this phone is going to boot up. Okay. Boom. Okay, so we've got the Apple logo. Just gonna wait for this phone to boot. Don't know if we have the passcode or not, but let's just check the back of the phone. No passcode here. So let's see if this device has a passcode or not. Let's find out. Okay, it does. So, well, let's just take a photo. Boom. Okay, so that's it. That's quickly how we fix a iPhone 7 that was liquid damaged. So if you guys have any devices that you want to send me, please just send me a message either on YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp. And if you guys like this video, please drop a like, hit subscribe. That really helps me out. Thank you guys.